Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar batteries are produced, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more.
Manifest confirms the graphite shipment.
The seals are secure on the copper rolls. We're clear here.
Precise chemical ratios ensure high energy density and safety.
The chemical balance in Sector 4 is showing a slight variance.
Yes, I see that. Adjusting the input flow rate now.
Every layer must be perfectly uniform for maximum efficiency.
This is where the battery cell begins to take form.
This first charge activates the battery's chemistry.
Only the safest and most efficient batteries move forward.
And that's how solar batteries are produced, from raw materials to clean energy storage solutions.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.